Hey guys,
Progress
welcome
report.
back to everybody.
Savanna.
Part 1.
Savanna. Okay, kids, here we go. We're here, everybody. Let me just find a parking spot. Hey, check out that view.
The land is flat, the plains are vast, the air is hot, the earth is dry. Oh, Savanna, a land so wild and free. The beauty of the sunset is quite a sight to see. I'm out of here. See you soon. Hey, see ya. We're in Africa, on the Savanna. This is one hot place. Phew. It's Frankie on the Frankie phone. He probably wants to tell you about the contest sheet. You get the scoop from Frankie. I'll start exploring.
Hi, kids. Let's look over the contest sheet and see what we have to do.
We're termites, and we're very busy building our home. It's called a termite mound. Gotta get back to work.
Click on good call. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture. Termites. Camera.
Hey there, I'm a cheetah, a big cat, and the world's fastest mammal. I could...
Hi. I'm an impala, and I can jump really high as a basketball hoop. Impalas eat grass.
Hey, I'm a rhinoceros, a big mammal that eats grass.
Click on the help button to...
Yum! Tasty. Yum! Tasty. Yum! Tasty.
You're doing a good job.
Yum! Tasty.
Time's up. Here are the points you earned.
Those bugs were delicious. Thanks.
And I feel great. No bugs on me. Our symbiotic relationship. Good for you, and good for me.
You want to play again?
It was cool hanging with ya.
It won't be long before this contest sheet is all filled in. I'm a lion, a female. In lion groups, called prides, we females do all the work. We raise the cubs and hunt for food. Lions are predators. That means...
A big hippo hello! Ha 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 ha! I'm a hippopotamus!
Lion, good call. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture. Hippopotamus.
I'm a giraffe. We're the tallest animals on land. We're herbivores. That means we only eat plants.
Click on the space. That picture belongs. Good call. Giraffe. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture. Camera. Click on terrific. That's exactly where the picture belongs. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture. Elephant. Oh, well, hello there. We're African elephants, the largest animals that live on land.
You'll earn 1 point for each baby elephant you find.
Come along, cutie. The herd is safe because there are so many of us. Let's go, Junior. I'm glad we found you. Remember, it's safer to stay with the herd. Help us get to the watering hole. It's very safe there. All the different animals look out for each other. Help us get to the watering hole. Ooh, we love to take baths.
And we're thirsty.
Oh my, we did it. The baby elephants are safe now. They're at the watering hole.
You found all the baby elephants. That means you earned 5 bonus points. Time's up. Here are the points you earned. Do you want to play again? Thank you. Bye-bye.
We'll never forget you. We elephants never forget anyone. Thanks for the help.
It won't be long before this contest sheet is all filled in. Terrific! That's exactly where the picture belongs. Zebra, you've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture.
Hello, we're zebras. A group of zebras is called a herd. Or
Click on the help button to learn how to play, or click anywhere to begin.
back in the herd. Get back here. Stay with the herd. Stay with the herd. I smell trouble. That lioness is a carnivore, which means that she eats meat. Back in the herd. Back in the herd. Back in the herd. We made it to the river. Thanks for the help.
You got the whole herd to the river. That's 5 bonus points for you. Here are the points you earned. You want to play again? No.
It won't be long before this contest sheet is all filled in.
A vulture. That's me. I'm a scavenger. That means I eat leftovers. As soon as a lion or cheetah is through eating, my pals and I flock.
I am a lion. You can tell by my mane that I'm a male.
Nice good call. Lion, you've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture.
Wildebeest here. We're mammals. And herbivores too. Grass is just about all we eat.
Hello, we are baboons. Baboons are...
Click on the help button to learn how to play.
That's right, baboons eat bugs.
Time's up. Here are the points you earned. You caught a lot of bugs. Great.
You're an official member of our baboon troop, so stop by and visit us again. Goodbye.
You did it! The Savanna contest sheet is all filled in. Your reward? A page for your Animal Arts and Crafts book. Animal Arts and Crafts cover. It will be in the AOR.
Click on the back arrow to return to the AOR. Click on the print button to print it out.
You finished all 4 contest sheets. That means it's time for the Animal Smarts game. The game where we click on the... Find the lion. That's right. Perfect. Terrific. That's right. Good call. That was super. Here are the points you earned. You really showed your animal smarts. Nice work.
No!
Do you? There's so much to learn about animals. Visit your library, watch animal programs on TV, and keep building up those animal smarts. Ta-da! Announcing the winners of the Animal Habitat Contest. Molly, Polly, Wally, Cat, Chad, Wart, and you. Here's your winner's certificate. You're an official JumpStart Animal Habitat Explorer. Click on the print button to print out your certificate. Click on the done button when you're ready to continue. You've finished the Animal Habitat Contest. Great work. Let's start a new contest.
Are you sure you want to exit? Credits.
Rising up from the pond of scum. Supersonic tadpole come to get the job done. Amphibious from the get-go. Embryonic zygote starts with a single cell. Then I subdivide so I can thrive. Use camouflage so I can hide. And after 21 days, if I'm still alive, I grow a big tail like a whale so I can set sail. So I can set sail. Rising up from the pond of scum. Supersonic tadpole come to get the job done. Amphibious from the get-go. Embryonic zygote starts with a single cell. Then I subdivide so I can thrive. Use camouflage so I can hide. And after 21 days, if I'm still alive, I grow a big tail like a whale so I can set sail. So I can set sail.
Are you sure you want to exit? Yes.
好吧，我是啥？